Hi, welcome to this video which is going to discuss the basic environment which we see when we're using Max version 6. So the main environment has these two sort of windows. We've got like a work place here where we can sort of drag objects and put patches between them, and then on the right hand side we've got this section which allows us to look at different aspects of what's actually going on there. If I want to actually create a new object, what I would do, a new patch, we go to File and we can go New Patch, which brings us up with something that looks very similar to this. So just looking round, we've got various sort of options on the menu bar at the top, so I suggest you have a look at those. They'll give you some help. Perhaps quite useful is the extras bar, which gives us certain things like audio tester. So if I click on that, that brings up this little testing thing which allows me to sort of test if my system is working properly. And okay, so we've got some sort of controls down here. If we go over them, they kind of tell you what the control does. So we can click on this to lock and unlock this section, and we've got various controls on that way as well. If I want to sort of remove this status bar, I can by clicking on there, and I can actually remove or display this one by clicking that bit there, which gives you, so this basically just gives you access to what you actually want to see. On this right hand side, if we look at Explorer, this gives us all of the actual objects that we can use within Max, and we've got quite a lot. There are all of these, there's quite a lot of these actual objects that we can actually see. Okay, so the way we use them is we find an object that we actually want to use. So I want to use live gain. If I click on that, it then shows me what this actually object does. So it gives you a bit of information about what it actually does there on the side. The other way that we can actually look for these is if I do a search for an object in there, and then that brings down everyone that has that word in cycle. So again, I can click on it to see if this is, it gives a short description of what to do. So when I've got one I like, to basically put it into my patch, I just drag it along and then place it on the window. And then press return. I could then sort of create another one, and we might be able to sort of send some information to that. So that's just a short view of the environment of Max 6.